Yo, guys, so I've been holding something secret for you, and it's finally done. And it's nothing big, but it's definitely something that I've wanted on my car for the longest time, but I couldn't justify the price. So I will bring it out in just a second. I'm gonna go talk with the guys at the shop. If you guys can't guess what it is so far, we are at Precision Motorsports. These guys are awesome. They've done me a huge favor, and I'll go talk about whatever else I need to after I show you guys what it is. All right. Yo, so it's a little bit after. Super stoked. The guys at Precision Motorsports, Tom and Zach, they definitely killed it. I'm super stoked to show you guys what is down here, because it is something I've wanted for a while, but like I said, I couldn't really justify the price. So here it is. It is a Nismo V3 bumper, and it's color matched, which is why I was at Precision. I'm super stoked. So this is actually an OEM bumper, and the previous owner, one of my good buddies, actually was using it for his Turbo HR 350Z. That's why there's nostrils up here. That might not be legal for the class, so what I'm gonna do is I actually have the nostril pieces here, and I'll just tape it up somewhere. I'll figure it out. I'll tape it up. Anyone complains about it, it's really, you know, it's not really adding any benefit for me because I'm not tuned. But yeah, super stoked. There's brake ducting already in, and then you can see I have extra bits down here. There's the brake ducting, so when this is graded so no debris gets in the ducting. The nostril pieces, iron bar to strengthen this piece here, and then these are actually extensions because my buddy actually gave me the aluminum tray that goes under the Z to protect the bottom of the engine and anything else. So these are extensions because this bumper is actually a little bit too far away from the standard OEM that the tray usually hooks up to. So we got this that will connect to the bumper and to the aluminum tray that's in the other room. That's nothing special. It's just an aluminum tray that you can find on the internet. But yeah, I'm super stoked. OEM bumper. You know, like I said earlier, I couldn't justify the price. These are like $1,000. And I went with painting it because 3M is actually, or because of COVID, they have been lacking in, I won't say lack, but you know, their business priorities have changed a little bit. So there aren't that many wraps out there right now. And the one that that's very close to my OEM color, which is like black, gloss black rose, not in stock anywhere. And I went to go order it, couldn't find it, went to a different site, I ordered it, they didn't tell me it was out of stock. So that was kind of a bummer. So I had to get my refund. I called Precision and they're like, yeah, we'll get you in. So you can't really see it in this lighting, but there is gold flake. So I'm super stoked. It kind of looks matte right now, but or not matte, but just gloss purple, but it's definitely got a pearl to it, and I'm really stoked. So I'm gonna put you guys aside. I'm gonna put all these extra bits back on, and then eventually we'll put it back on the car, but to you guys it'll be like 10 seconds or something. So yeah, super happy. Let's put this back together. Yo guys, Phil here. We finally finished the okay, that was a hair. Finished the new bumper. Got all the speed nuts because I got a mix match from O'Reilly's, so I just ordered a whole 25 pack of them from Amazon, which only took like a day, but we got that all set up. Everything's good. Brake ducts where they need to be. I need to pop the reflectors in from the old bumper, but yeah, so we're going to be taking off the bumper. I'll make it a quick time lapse for you guys so you don't have to deal with waiting for so long. So here's the before, and I'm going to get to it. Alright guys, the camera died. I forgot to change the battery. I'm sorry, but it was just another time lapse, but all done. There's a few pieces that I might have to get because from my bumper I was planning on moving the reflectors to this one, but they don't fit. They're a little bit bigger. So here's the big reveal. Dang! She looks good. I'm happy with this. I got the VHB, but I have to do the cut for the emblem, and that should be pretty much it. After this, I'm gonna, you see I have my tools right there. I got to take off a bolt that's in my tire right now, so that sucks, but hey, she looks pretty. And there's also there's a few tools under my car which I need to grab. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you got this far, and the next time hopefully you guys see me and see this bumper is on track. So see you guys soon.